So this is how to take one of your videos from your Google Drive and create a dynamic QR code. So I'm in my Drive. I tend to store all of my videos in one folder, and here's why. Then I can change the setting of the entire folder to anybody with the link can view instead of having to do it for every single video I make. Work smarter, not harder. So first I'm going to change the share setting on my folder. So I'm going to go to my folder. I'm going to right click. I'm going to go to share. I'm going to go to advanced. And I'm going to go to change. I want it anybody with the link can view. And see, it says can view only. So we're going to click save and then hit done. So now when I open up the folder and I've changed that setting, we're going to see, let's refresh real quick. You see now that every file within this folder is shared. So I'm going to go to my video and I'm going to right click, and all I'm going to do is click real quick and hit get shareable link. And notice it says link is already copied. That's what we want. So now I'm going to open a new tab and I'm going to go type in the QR code generator, and I need the one that says the at the beginning. Over here, if you haven't already, click sign in and use your school account. So this is we're going to create a dynamic QR code. That means the QR code can be taped to a table or a desk, and me as the teacher changes the link as the students watch different videos. So I'm going to click my codes, and so this says my dynamic QR codes. So I'm going to hit the plus sign, and I'm going to go to URL, and I'm going to just paste the link to my video. And then I hit awesome. You've just created a dynamic QR code. You can change the content while the QR code stays the same. And we can rename it by clicking on its title. So we can click save. So you see how it says my awesome QR code or my awesome code? I'm going to name this. I'm going to say explain everything videos for stations. And I could even say in-class flip if I want. Whatever you want to title it so that you know that that's what this QR code is for. And so I'm going to click save. So I'm saving this QR code. So I'm going to say EE videos. That means explain everything. So my in-class flips. And then hit save. And so what happens is for a Chromebook, it saves to my Google Drive. And for your laptop, it saves to your hard drive of your device. So now I want to be able to print this QR code. So I'm going to go over, and I am a table-holic. I love tables, so I'm always inserting them just to make everything organized. So because this is always going to be a QR code for videos at your stations, you don't necessarily have to type the title. We can delete that. All I want to do is insert that QR code so it's nice and formatted. So I'm going to go to insert, image. So for me, I'm going to go to my drive. You're going to go to your hard drive where it's saved, probably in downloads. So I'm going to my drive, recent, EE videos for stations. And here we go. And so now what I can do is I can highlight and paste, highlight again, and paste. And I don't know about you, but I want everything centered. So now I'm just going to center it. And so all I can do is print these out and tape them onto my desks or tables. So when my students come to this station, they click on the camera on the iPad and hold it over the QR code, and it will open the video up so the kids can start watching the video and learning from it. So let me know if you have any more questions about just creating the QR code. Now I'm going to show you how to edit the QR code, because remember, it's I'm just going to act like I wasn't here. So it's the next day of school and I need to change my video. So I'm in my Google Drive. I'm grabbing my video. So I'm going to right click and I'm going to click Get Shareable Link. Because remember, it already is linked with anyone with the link. So it just copied it to the clipboard. And I'm going to go to the QR code generator. Got to have the word the in the front. Yes, it matters. I'm going to go to my codes and I'm going to edit this video's code because I don't want it to be my middle school tech meeting. I want it to be my whiteboard video for today's flip. So all I do is I delete the old one, click the new one, and click save. I don't need to save that part. And so we're good to go. And so now that same QR code is going to open up in when the kids scan that code. All I have to actually do is change this link and it's going to save that.